Hello, my name is Alexandra. I am a freelance 2D artist and today I will show you step by step how to create a greeting card illustration using Rebelle 6. In the initial stages, my only concern is establishing a pleasing color scheme. While doing this kind of painting, I always test out the colors beforehand to ensure the best possible results. Knowing that everything will be reworked later allows me the freedom to really experiment. The goal is to create something loose and expressive that can stand out on its own without much rendering. General advice: going dark too quickly will make your life more difficult later on. Keep the darkest and lightest points for near the end. Consider silhouette, values and shapes. Paint zoomed out with large brushstrokes. On the second color scheme, my intent was to plan for a strong backlight. However, it did not resonate with the desired mood and there was no clear separation between darks and lights. The line art layer is set on multiply, allowing me to paint abstractly underneath it. Rebelle has layer modes much like Photoshop and a colorize function that is really useful for changing the color of the lines. Keeping a folder of watercolor washes, either made with Rebelle or traditionally, will make your iterative process easier. Finally establishing my colors. From now on, the painting will flow smoothly since all of the main issues are solved. Detailing and rendering are reserved for the last half of the process. You can use thick blobs of paint to indicate the foliage and flowers. For this style, working thin to thick is a good idea. Rebelle allows you to combine mediums like watercolor and oil paints. In this illustration, both types of brushes were used. Always make sure to flip your canvas and check the grayscale of your painting. Adding text and detail at the very end. When using oil brushes, sometimes keeping the dark areas flat and using thin layers of paint looks remarkably good. You can use thicker paint for the light areas and focus the detail there. I find this method to be more appealing in paintings of high contrast. The process should depend heavily on the type of illustration desired. One of the beautiful things about digital art is that there are endless ways of approaching it. The process shown was similar to how I approach gouache painting, but with X-lap running stages. Have fun!